Okay, y'all. Good morning, good afternoon. It's 1:30 in the afternoon. Cooking lunch. I think we're going to have a kind of midday lunch. Don't know if I'm going to cook later on. We'll grab something fast, quick, easy, and delicious for later. We might even pop out and eat something outside. Might even go get us an ice cream sundae or something. Anywho, what I'm doing today, because I had another taste, we're going to do some BLTs with some scrambled eggs. I got my hoagie bread in the skillet here getting heated up. Got my bacon already cooked with some more hoagie bread to be cooked. I'm going to make a quick little salad here. I got some these little cucumbers that I love so much. I'm going to go ahead and chop them and get them in a bowl. I'm going to put cucumbers, tomatoes, onions, and probably some avocado. You know, avocado will turn dark on you. So I'm going to rethink that. And I got some fresh garlic over here on the side. So I'm just doing this, start this salad. Multitasking is what they call it, isn't it? I'm getting the salad done while the bread cooks. These cucumbers just want to roll off of here. But anyway, y'all know how I love veggies. I love grilled food. I love pan-fried food. So, get my little salad right there. That's why I love my little stove. It cooks the food, preps the food, display the food. All in one. Oh, there's a soft spot on that one. I don't want that one. Okay. So I hope you all are having a God bless. Today is Tuesday. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get out of the yard to show y'all. It has rained since I put my garden in. So I'm holding off on part one of my garden because I want to do part two to show y'all. The rain and sunshine. I love the Lord. He knows what he was doing. He put this earth here. And when he puts food for us to have. That's why the birds and the bees don't have an issue with eating and surviving, because they use the simple things in life. And farmers, people who live off the fat of the land, so to speak. Let me tell y'all something. I put those little plants in, and they probably have grown 3 times the size in 3 days. It rained yesterday, just rained on it, on those plants. One day, the sun shined on them a day and a half, and I mean to tell you all the difference in the world. This is some fresh garlic that I'm chopping up right here. All the noise is the fresh garlic. Wish I could grow me some garlic. I don't know what kind of conditions you have to have. Sprinkle it all in there. So that part of my salad is ready. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my bread out of here. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's nice and warm. Okay. Get my bread off of here. Out of here, rather. I'm going to get these eggs ready to go. And I'll do my first BLT and my scrambled eggs. Just wipe that out a little. Heat up me a little bit of oil in that pan. And we're going to get this show on the road, y'all. So, you know, I'm going to scramble these eggs and make them spicy eggs. We like the spicy hot eggs with cayenne pepper. Or whatever kind of pepper we can put in there. We like pepper in our eggs. I'm crying. Let me see. Let me just move this. Well, I'm not going to move it. I'm going to leave it here because I'll do the sandwich. It's easier to do the sandwich on this cutting board. Get my mayonnaise. But like I said, I hope you all having a God bless day. And I tried to avoid it, but I guess I just couldn't avoid looking at the news today. You know, that trial is in the news. And there are just so many things going on that are just not right these days. But this is the world we have to live in. The war is going on. You know, we're trying to have an election year all this stuff is going on. We have to pay attention. We have to be mindful. So some of the stuff I have to look at, and I know and understand that, and I'm getting used to that. I just don't like all the negativities, because when one thing comes out, and then we got all these entertainers, these rappers and so forth, that's doing all these lascivious things, this lasciviousness going on, all kinds of things. So that is why I know, if I don't know nothing else today, because today is the only day I can live in, is that we need to pray without ceasing, y'all. And I mean serious pray without ceasing, because of all those things that are going on. So we'll go ahead and get this sandwich going. I think I'm going to go ahead and get the sandwich first. So what I'm going to do first is go ahead and what I'm doing now is letting that skillet cool down. Remember I told y'all, not a lot of mayonnaise on that. Okay. But just continue, please pray with me as we go through these perilous times. I mean, we're going through some perilous times. And if you're not paying attention, I hope that something I say might help you too. Because, you know, we got these things happening in the schools. You know, now it's reaching out to, you know, we got college students. I've got college students that I support and pray for that are in school. So we got things going on. And for good purposes, for good reasons. But it creates so much, the negatives, it creates the people who are not well-meaning. I don't have an issue with people protesting and stuff like that. I just have a concern, if you say, I won't even say an issue, when the people who don't mean any good by it get involved, and then you got to worry about your children on these college campuses. You think about all those children who have gone to school all this time looking forward to walking across that big old stage and celebrating what they've done. I just feel bad for those students who won't be able to do that, even though I know in the minds of those who are protesting, what they're protesting for, you know, maybe to them has a greater cause, and that's all well and good. But the point is, those kids still have matriculated, and you know, they deserve to be able to walk across the stage. I know when I graduated, I was excited about it, and I was an old woman when I graduated, so I know what those young folk must be feeling. Kids have sacrificed and gone through, and now all of a sudden they can't do the, you know, the big old celebration and all that kind of thing. So I don't know. I just don't feel good for those students. But anywho, it's for a great cause, the protests and all. And my heart goes out to those people every time I think about it. I wish it didn't even have to be like that for them. But, you know, like I said, what's happening is what's happening. It's part of history. It's part of life. It's going to happen. I just hate that our children have to be so affected by these things. Tell me, it's something else when the children always get involved, and they're the ones that suffer through these grown folk bad decisions. Okay, that's my soapbox, y'all. So y'all pray without ceasing. Watch the news. Pray for those who are being oppressed and not in a good spot right now. So anywho, y'all, that's that first BLT. It's ready. Gonna get it going. Got all that bacon and all that stuff on it. So there we go. The first sandwich, it's ready. I'm gonna go ahead and get these eggs scrambled up, and we're gonna be ready to put this on the table, y'all. Okay. Get some eggs going in this skillet. Okay. I think this is about 6 or 8 eggs. These are garden fresh, hen house fresh eggs. Barb brought me a bunch of eggs the other day, and thank you, my friend. Between her and Cynthia, I am well egged up. Okay. you just can't beat some good old fresh eggs. Okay, that's one batch. Okay. We're gonna cook them slow because we don't want them to burn or, you know, get done before they need to. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm frying those with grapeseed oil. I'm gonna put a little peri in this. This is for Kareem because he likes his hot, and he likes the red pepper in it. So put a little bit of both of those in there. While we're letting those cook, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sandwich. We'll go ahead. I'm sure he would want it cut. Try to cut between those two tomatoes. Okay, there we go, y'all. Okay, so that's ready. Now it's ready. I'm ready to put the eggs on the plate. And we're gonna have our first BLT with these nice gourmet scrambled eggs. And this is what we're doing for lunch. Early, well, it's kind of late lunch. Late lunch. It won't say dinner. We just said we're eating a late lunch today. I don't know what I got some things I got to get out of here and do. So I'm gonna be out of the house for a while. I feel like getting out again. You know, I have to watch my back. Y'all know, I tell you, I have that side of the nerve. So when it speaks, I have to sort of back off on doing things. So I still can do stuff. I just have to do it in moderation. You know, when you got ailments going on, there ain't too much that you can't do as long as you do it in moderation. There it is, that delicious BLT hoagie and some good old gourmet scrambled eggs. One of the best lunch meals you can order up anywhere, in the best restaurant, or go in your own kitchen and get it going on, y'all. So thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for your prayers, your well wishes, your comments, and your compliments. And please, please, please remember to pray without ceasing, to the glory of God, for all the things. Because y'all know we got some stuff going on around this place these days. So pray without ceasing, y'all. Pray for one another. Do something kind for one another. Do something kind for yourself. Go in that kitchen, cook yourself something good to eat, and pray for yourself as you pray for others. And you pray for me, and I'll pray for you. So until I decide to cook again, I love you guys. Toodles.